Welcome to Master Your Ride. Today we are covering 5 easy DIY car maintenance fixes you can do at home to save money and stay safe. You don't need to be a professional mechanic. With a few basic tools and a little guidance, you can keep your vehicle in top shape. Task 1. Changing the air filter. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently, and a clogged filter can really hurt your gas mileage. Locate the air filter box. Usually it's held together by simple metal clips. Just pop them open with your hands, no heavy tools required here. Take a look at this. On the left is a filthy gray filter full of debris. On the right, a brand new, clean white one. Simply drop the new filter into the housing, ensuring the rubber seal fits snugly around the edges. Then, just snap those clips back into place. Task 2. Replacing windshield wiper blades. If your wipers are streaking or making noise, it is definitely time for a fresh set. Here is a pro tip. Place a thick towel on the windshield. If the metal arm snaps back while the blade is off, it won't crack the glass. Press the small release tab on the blade assembly and slide the old blade down toward the car. It should come right off the hook. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear it click. Test it by gently pulling to ensure it is secure. Repeat for the other side. Task 3. Checking and topping off fluids. Keeping your fluids at the right level prevents overheating and keeps your systems running smoothly. Start with the coolant. Look at the side of the reservoir. You want the fluid to be right between the minimum and maximum lines. Now for the washer fluid. Look for the cap with the windshield icon. It's safe to fill this one all the way to the top. Use a funnel to avoid making a mess. Pour the fluid in slowly. This ensures you'll have a clear view no matter the weather. Important warning, never open the metal radiator cap when the engine is hot. The pressurized steam can cause serious burns. Always wait for it to cool. Task 4. Spark plug replacement. If your car is idling roughly or struggling to start, your spark plugs might be worn out. Carefully pull the spark plug wire or ignition coil off the engine. Do not tug on the wire itself. Pull from the thick rubber boot. Use a spark plug socket and extension to slowly unscrew the plug. Turn it counterclockwise, ensuring the wrench stays straight to avoid damage. Thread the new plug in by hand first. This prevents cross-threading, which can be a very expensive mistake to fix. Once it is finger-tight, use the wrench to give it one final snug turn. Reattach the wire, and you are ready for the next one. Task 5. Headlight bulb swap. Visibility is key to safety. If a light goes out, you can usually fix it in minutes. Reach behind the headlight and disconnect the plastic wiring harness. You might need to squeeze a small tab to release the lock. Always wear gloves when handling new bulbs. The oils from your skin can cause the glass to overheat and fail prematurely. Insert the new bulb, twist it to lock, and plug the harness back in. It is that simple to get your lights shining bright again. You've done it. 5 basic fixes that will keep your car happy and your wallet full. Maintenance doesn't have to be difficult. Close the hood firmly and give yourself a pat on the back. You are now the master of your own ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more DIY car tips. See you in the next one.